Hi, I can't quite believe the progress Claude is making. This is a great data visualization by Alice McKnight, and she took data from Our World in Data, and this was the neutral chart. It shows who Americans spend the most time with by age. As they go older, they spend more time on their own. The top version of the same data shows that a positive spin on that. They spend time with themselves. That's nice. And the bottom version, same chart, different color, different font, different title, makes it a more emotion story about being alone. Really great example. Well, I took the data into Excel. I added the Claude plugin. And then I went into PowerPoint and added the image, a screenshot of Alice's chart and this prompt. Using Excel, so basically go and look at Excel, recreate the image, recreate the charts as 3 separate slides. And this is what we have. Neutral, positive, negative. What did I do? I added this text box. I made these bits bold. That was it. It did the rest. This is profoundly interesting and powerful. What do you think?